Alright, so I want to show you beginners how you can make leads and bass line very easy. Alright, so all you're going to need to do is just put a melody or a chord progression. Start with a chord progression. You know, you go to pad, perform, and then you select progression. Then we got that. We got this here. Probably going to make the bass line, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this track 1 and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy the track 2, and I'm also going to want to lead. So I'm also going to take that track 1 and I'm going to copy it to say track 3. Now we're going to go here to the second track because I want this second track to be a bass line. I'm going to assign a bass, already assigned one. In order to get the bass, we're going to want to erase all of these notes up here and just leave the bottom ones. So we're just going to erase these. Going to leave us with only that. Now when you play that piano and this bass line together, this is how it's going to sound. Now that bass is it's too high. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to that bass line and I'm going to lower this down by an octave, which is going to be about 12 notes, right? So now we have a bass line to that progression. Remember, we went to track 3, we copied track 1, and we made a lead. Instead of taking the bottom notes, we're going to take the top note, highlight all of these with the exception of those top notes, and we're going to erase those. So now is assign a synth lead. So I already found something that I want to mess with, the Jura, and I got this. Alright, let's play all 3 of them together. It's really that simple. At this point now, you can just build your track. Say we want to start messing around with some drums, right? So I would go here to I would find a hi-hat I want, and I would go to 16 levels, then I would put this on ratchet. Now, add some drums or whatever. So it's just that easy. That right there is for my beginners or for those who are just in a rush, make something up before they gotta take the kids out. So that's a quick shortcut. All right, man. I love y'all very much. Go to CycleKit.com, support your boy, buy some of my kits. Go to the MPC Family Facebook group. We would love to have you there. Peace.